Sunrise Boss Production.
Yeah, crime scene.
Crime scene. The second one. Look before me cross the road, you know. I don't want to get licked down, you know. No time. Yeah, I walk to see if I can get some fish. Some fish we buy now. Some fresh fish. Yeah, man, right then I saw a fisherman there. In a real life. So I go on my pond. Yeah, man, fish there, man. What go on now? How much a pound?
See him 12 pounds of a card, you know, move on the car.
You know, move yet.
Can't move it.
Yeah, right.
If the blood clot, get bell back or mash up.
Yeah, man, that's why I think you move, berry make you move.
Can't move.
Alright, peeps, so I get some fish here now.
Rice.
Yeah, get the fish done, some fresh fish. Really up there now. You want to see some okra over here? How much your okra? 100 bag. 200 no problem. That's around 200. Yeah, man, we get the bag of okra. So actually, I sell everything in the street. Get some scallion and some onion, you know. And if you get no pop choke and stuff more stuff, you fish them, you see. So, you know, when I'm hometown, is it okay? My place, alright. If you get food and come to money. Juice, yeah. How much is juice? Yeah. No, juice, yeah.
Me a soft one.
Okay.
Yeah. Active shock.
Just have a steam. Just have a stuff in the fish, so you don't have nothing. Alright. Then food.
$100.
Scallion on time.
Banana scallion. Tomorrow is scallion.
Can get one of them.
Yeah. Anything you want, you just
But yes, here one's one.
$50.
Yeah.
Banana put me up on video.
We don't want a real life one. No, we don't want it. I want to see we don't want them rest me. I do see them with a hustling. I guess me have to order some food and have a fix to them. Born as a hustler, can't talk hustler. I want to get fruit bag juice. Really like well icy.
Lovely lady. Slim
So
massive.
we just start tap on the market and get the rest of stuff we want. So when we reach on the market, we make you see how the market situated. You see? Nobody know now. So are you a sell? Why you sell the bad man in the market? The situation during the week keeps everybody the out on the street, they see it. Yeah, everybody the out on the road because the market kind of the way over in town, so you see. When it touch during the week, people go out on the street.
Yeah, so Friday,
Thursday, Friday, because you have people who come from all over from the market come sell, so on Thursday them forward at the market.
yeah.
So further on down from we are going to the river, we can get what we want. So you are going. Subscribe. Yeah, we're going down the river. Bless Dingy. Yeah, no, I just picked them up. And now we're heading to the river. Down at the river, I have uptown down there. I'm going to wait for me. So we're going to deal with some stuffed fish. Yardman style on the riverside. Oh yeah, a step is over there. You can walk over the step. Catch up my local fire right here, so you know, and start grill me fish. Whole heap of guess I pass, I go down the river same way. You know, everything set, everything active. But there, you know, I do look sweep up, because you know, so I always clean up anyway I go do my thing. So I there clean up, you know, and I go catch up the fire. Catch up the fire right here, so, and do my thing as he pray. Yeah, man, we outside on the riverside, man. Fully active, you know. And they are still fish them now. Yardman style. So we go through and just scale them and scale them and season them up. Then we have them to put on the grill. That's a nice size fish them, you know. Make sure so you scale them good too. Because if you're not scaling good, you see when you eat them, they eat fish scale. Like that, alright. You know, you just bust it. Take out and you give fish we eat. Fish I eat fish. Take out the gill. Well clean out. Just check him back. Scale and ready to go. Have some more now scale, so as soon as I'm ready to season them up, just show you what I want, how I go season them up. I season them up with some jerk seasoning and some black pepper. Yeah, man. And some all-purpose seasoning. So just stay tuned, I go see how I go do that. But at first, we just scale them. So I just go through scale them. Enough people don't like scale fishing. I don't like scale it too, but I have to scale it. And I won't eat the scale when I little bit, that's why I can't scale it. Because the father Rastaman, you know them way there. So I used to have to scale the fish then when you go buy them and I cook. So you don't know we are kids. So kids do all of the work. So when you're younger, then you learn how to scale fish. You have to know what you do because it cut you up. See it? Bust you can bust you go way up at top to you. So you just do one clean. You clean out from up here, so. See? Yeah, by right, I say if you do it, you know. You go way up at top here, so. Yeah, see? Everything come out one time. Gill and tripe. Wash it out. Then I clean. Active. So I'm ready to season them up, show you what I go on the place. Final touch this thing. Active. You know, banana leaf, you know, that way over side. Season it here now. Pretty. Season them up here now and show them on the grill. Subscribe to the channel. See, when I season them up, just I use some all-purpose seasoning. Yeah. Barley. And then we have this here now. Another these are the fish season plate. The fish season, see, all-purpose. I want to look at the all-purpose. Yeah, and then we have some jerk season. These are the bomb. Show some black pepper first. So then have the pepper taste. You know what I mean? Show them what I go on now, you will look. Yeah, man. Black pepper and that already, and some fish seasoning and some all-purpose seasoning. So about that take too long to pull. I want bossy. You see, throw jerk seasoning over here now. Yeah, man. Brawling. Jerk seasoning. I got the bomb in it. What do you know? Just open. Throw a little season in the middle of them. You don't want too much, you know, because if you throw too much, then go to salt. So you don't want inside the salt. You just want a little seasoning. You see it? Yeah. So all of them are done season up here now. So you know, so you have to cook up some cabbage. You have some cabbage and scallion, onion, garlic, thyme, pepper. You have to cook up them together and stuff them in the fish and wrap them in the file paper, so you have to see what I go on. I put up some cabbage now. Fully active, they are clean up in cabbage now. You know, I wish about this peeps. You tell me I wish about this in the comment section. You see if you know watch the channel, I want to get that board there from. Work it out now, you know. Yeah, man, so you know, so I line up the thing like stuff. The fish, you know, your zits, so all of them things I work with. Yeah, man, I have some okra, I have scallion and thyme, I have sweet pepper, I have garlic, I have onion. So you see all of them here now, and then you just cut up and steam them down and put them in the fish. Now I go fully steam them down, you know, you see it. Just I go make them have a little crunchy taste. And then you stuff the fish with them, because you know when the fish go up on the grill, them also I go cook too. You see it. Yeah, man, I sample the board, make them so I go on. brawling. Guinea tree blow down. But me inform for myself, I tell me I tell you no house board now. Guinea tree blow down and decide say, me have to burn coal out here, I have to get some meat board and some weed board. So then this me get all tight now, peeps. You see it? And then good old sweet pepper. Yes, uptown no cook if you not sweet pepper and peeps. Don't know true it is. Boss, love me sweet pepper, yo, the knife you bite, you know.
Sharp, man.
Yo, the knife you bite me peeps. If you catch all a finger, yeah, trouble did it. But like a board little bit handy and nice. So see them all of them not throwing some water. Wash them off. Then we put them for cook. Sometimes in Jamaica you buy time out on the road. You don't really get the fresh time them what you want. You know what I mean? But you can work still. You know you have early time and you have late time. So more time when you go to supermarket, late time you get to buy. You don't get the early time. I just serve them. I also guys in our kitchen. You know what I mean? I have the subscriber them forward on the cruise ship, Carnival cruise, and then book me and say they want to come chill at the river and just enjoy the moment. You know what I mean? Right now. Bossy wife down there, so I get him stone and limestone massage, and Bossy just sit down there, so I go and wait and I watch what I go on and I enjoy the moment. So I tell him, say, yo, Jam no star, I just grill 2 fish and all our vibes, because they don't really want to do no food, they see them just want to come chill, enjoy the river, have a swim, have a drink, have a little smoke and just easy back. You know what I mean? Because I must say, the cruise ship them come off and they don't want time catch up on them. But I tell them, say, not like that, man. Sunrise boss, the fastest in the kitchen and the bodies and food have to taste good. And I tell them, say, I go done cook when I cook before 1 o'clock, and by 3 o'clock, I bring them back on the ship. So right now, we know the time around 12 o'clock. You see, play, and I'm there, I do my thing. Yeah, man. You know, so fish, they not take no time for grill. Yeah. So this is the good old garlic. Enough people don't like the garlic, you know, because them say it take too long to clean off. But nothing wrong with it. You see it? Garlic a nice something. But by right, I say you can do it. If you want to come off more easy, I'm going to teach you right. You just do this. You crush it. So when you crush it, you get everything out tight, see? You just crush it. Crush the garlic by right and take off the skin more easier to come off. But sure, yard man, I just do it yard man with more time. Yeah, all of them now go stuff with fish. Yeah, left out them, you know, pigs. The bad man, them, you know. Yeah, man. Them, are the bad man. Good old okra. Yeah, man, see it? Okra. Then you're going to make it more better. You know, so I should have some if you cut them pigs. Uptown, I could have tell me. Some if you cut them long, because remember the fish?
Yeah.
The whole of the gut, long. So when you cut them, so you know, then you can just
Stuff
put in a,
in it.
yes, put 2 in one fish or 3 in one fish. Yeah. Yeah, man. See, all of them here now. Ready, them are ready to go up on the fire. And you know what I do? I just go cook them with some butter. So you have to see all of that. The fire over there, so ketchup. So you put on this on the fire and when it start bubble, make you see nice. Subscribe to the channel.
They always make it nice, man.
We say kids they're coming down.
You gotta be them, man. You gotta be them.
But so they always make it nice. How is it?
They look like them.
How is it?
Good.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's what? Limestone?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Fully active, man. So this is a new thing on the river now. Yeah, man, limestone. Guess they can get limestone. Rub down.
They long like them, but that's not.
Oh, that's not them. Okay. Next set.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Again for soap.
Yeah, peeps. So we outside, you know, we gotta do the right thing. Yeah, man. Fully.
Welcome to the land of future. Yeah, we have restaurant there, rum punch, soda, water, everything over here. We have a tire swing, a swing for free. Just come chill out.
Fully active, man. Everybody going down. Yeah, man. We outside, man. Look how Pat did this, so. Look at settings. Let's see what go on there. Yeah, she'll get the limestone wash off back. Fully active. Yeah, man, right on the riverside, man. You're outside. Where you say you're gonna chuck off shortly? Yeah, man. Fully active, man. So which state you say from? Where from now?
I'm St. Croix, the Virgin Islands, U.S. territory.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, 340 racers.
In a real life.
That's my YouTube name.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Say it again?
340 racers.
Okay, so
And
what you
actually-
used to do? Race car?
Well, it's a name we created because my nephew
Yeah.
rides bike.
Okay.
Yeah, he's on a circuit.
Oh,
So
yeah,
when he
yeah.
race, you know, the code is 340 racers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
'Cause 340 is our area code.
oh, yeah.
VI, man.
Yeah, man.
VI with
So you want to shout out so my friends them are... How it go?
Who don't shout out? Ah?
Me ask you if you want to shout out his friends. Like
That's a hard
who?
one, eh?
Like, eh?
Shout out to Big Daddy. For sure, right there in Jamaica, Lemon 6 Sunrise.
Yeah, man. For real. In a real life,
Yeah,
man.
man.
So how long now you been watching? How long?
From 2016, your first video was with Simon. And from
26.
then I watching you.
See that
And
piece?
then I watching others as well, Drizzy. I
And-
also watch
yeah.
others. I watch everybody.
And I tell him I come
started
off-
with Moko.
Yeah, and
when
then
I saw
me,
you
yeah.
with Simon, I said okay, and I catch on because it was different.
Yeah.
So I'm watching the two.
And how you
Yeah.
think I do with the channel? You think
Come on.
I do good? I keep up.
You do good. You had changes. You went through a little rough time, but you still stay on pace.
Yeah, that is it for
Active.
fully
Fully
active.
active.
Yeah, man, for real, man.
Yeah, man.
That's going for show
I saw you
piece.
the other day on GV channel.
Yeah.
You were doing some cooking.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
For real, man. So I
You
just
got- you
vibes.
post one too. I think I saw you too.
Yeah, I post
you
one.
post one too.
I am on post one too, man. So
It started with COVID. It was like, wow, everything is YouTube now. Better watch YouTube.
yeah, everything is YouTube,
Yeah.
man. For real.
Anything on YouTube.
Yeah, man. We really appreciate you watching for so long, and then
Wow.
it just happened now where 2024 you finally get the chance to link up.
Like I said, last time he was in 94.
Nah, there.
You were probably a year old, right?
Yeah, just 1 year old them time there. Yeah, for real,
Yeah,
real.
man. That's all long, man. I'm glad to be back on this place.
Yeah,
It's
man.
a short time, but we'll make it a nice time.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, peeps, I can smell the pot. In a real life. So, we can start stuff some fish now. Yeah. Oh, not that cold.
No, but it's good.
Yeah. Okay. It's ready. I'm gonna stuff up the fish them with this and our peeps. In a real life. Oh. They are put on the fish them on the grill and now. Yeah, man, that's how we are deal with them. So one up on the grill already. So me are deal with it, my peeps. Guess I'm out there having a swim. Yeah, man, put him on there, man. Yeah, no, for deal with, you know. You have to iron up it. File paper, so I just use the butter and grease him up. in. Put some of them in there. So okra. So you're going when you cook a riverside or a bush, you have to watch out for leaf. Leaf will drop in your pot. That's what you do. You come up and you go inside of the fish. Stuff them in the piece. And this is our last one. Then and just put them over here. Full of vegetable and okra. Then you see you just fold him. Yeah man, make sure you say end them lock in. And the end them lock, no juice can come out. Each time you're carrying it, you check the end of the teeth. Make sure you say the end them lock up. Enough of the time when you do it, you need a next file paper to just wrap it back over. Second wrap. And it's gonna leave. Just like this. So this is a second file. I catch all of the juice. If the juice leak out of the first one, you catch in the second one. This honey juice. Fire and grill. Real fish. So nice box production. Really like. And outside of that one, I really like it. Subscribe to the channel. Boss advertising thing brawling.
I have water and soda and
Everything boss sell.
yes, sir. If you don't want the cash on you, it's serving you the cash on you.
How the hell they selling stuff and we in the water?
Yeah. We have 1.7 here, restaurant here, calling here, everything.
Mama say, oh, let's.
My damn phone.
You got too much more.
We have water and soda and everything.
No? You good. You good.
Yeah, one big group going down. Yeah, man, active outside. Yeah man, straight down the river them gone peeps. Fully active.
One branch here. Let them have a look at place and I charge down to review.
Yeah man, me know them man.
But we never go there yet, you know.
Fish them are grilling now. And it's a good look. can smell them. See? Just have a block and a stone and put rest down piece of iron crossway it and put the fish them on it. Have a breadfruit here so too. Now see him can roast him. Push him up under the fire there. I can go roast. Blackbird, come check out my kitchen. Like you want to take up one of my fish and fly away with it. I would have give him a big stone, you see. It's a blackbird. Yeah, well, that
When
is
I
stuff
start to see carrots
with stuff like that.
that's different. I got to try that.
Yeah. Well, this just stuff the original way. I just the onion, garlic, scallion, thyme,
Oh, the original
some
way.
okra.
Okay.
With
okay,
some
the okra.
yeah, with some cabbage.
Yeah. The okra is still a different. So that's it.
Yeah.
So we don't use spice.
Yeah, okra, you know, okra go with fish. Yeah.
And then you also put lime and the fish oil.
Yeah, lime. Wash it off with lime and vinegar. So line up the table, you know, so yeah, and there you know, consume. Yeah, man.
Yeah, crime scene.
Crime scene. For the second one. But still the on the first one. Ready for the second one now?
No, give me 2 minutes. I need 2 minutes.
Alright. Yeah, man. So we outside peeps, just there are going all our vibes in our real life.
Global cooking.
Yeah, man.
Riverside, land of fruit.
Yeah, man, for real. These fly, man, so they go, they smell fish. Fish not normally cook here regular, you know. Yep. So when the fish then come out, the flies they coming out.
Red snapper.
Table, for me head now, coming out from the river. Let them have back a ship here now. No, but they say they want some natural water, so I go one natural spring where I run from up in the hills. And make them catch some water to bring back on the ship. Yeah, man, so everybody active. We make it up on the road. Boss, I want some natural spring water. Yeah, man, right there. When you finish full, you can full up. Yeah, when you full up back, you can just beg him a dip and full up. Yeah. Alright. Natural spring water, please. Yeah, so how was the food? How was everything?
Everything was great. No complaints.
Yeah, man. I know you get your natural water.
Love that river.
Yeah, man. Oh, you just taste the water from the spring. How it tastes?
Oh, yeah. It tastes just like spring water for real.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought it would have been colder. It's not as cool as some of them.
Yeah, you love cold water. Every water I'm going to Jamaica and same thing your water would have been colder.
It's not cold to me.
For real. Yeah, but we just get the water now. We are on the way to the ship. The carnival ship. Yeah, man. Over over there they are fruit selling. Can get some mango, East Indian mango. But stop up by mango. Don't know where Rasta selling a Charlie. You know, look like him sell nothing.
Sell out.
Yeah, man.
Sell off long time.
Yeah, and I go home. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave them off, let them off you know, at the entrance for I go over the ship, and then we just go pick up back uptown, and then we go home. Work done for the day in a real life. Yeah, man. Active in my channel. Big up. Okay, you got everything? Oh, the back. Yeah, it's got to close.
Yeah, I do what I think.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so I'll let them off now so them catch back the ship to head home.
It's great.
Yeah, man.
Want to meet you
In a real life.
Bye.
Alright, bless.